The IMV0 pickup truck by Toyota aims to maintain the quality and dependability that have created Toyota's reputation. It will be interesting to see how consumers respond to Toyota's unique offering of a dependable, long-lasting car at a competitive price, and how it affects rival automakers. What do we know about the pickup truck by Toyota? The Toyota Tacoma truck is manufactured in the United States for use by citizens of the US and Canada. Nevertheless, the Toyota Hilux pickup truck is sold in 181 other nations. It has a simpler appearance than our Tacoma. You might recognize it from footage of conflict zones or humanitarian efforts on international news. It had, it seems, become a little fancy, and at $15,200 at launch, it was pricing itself out of some of those markets. The Toyota IMV0 aims to occupy the low-cost position between the Hilux with a $10,000 starting price. At the 2023 Japan Mobility Show, it debuted in style, sporting a Land Cruiser 70 series outfit. Every aspect of this truck has been redesigned by Toyota, with an emphasis on cost minimization and providing only the most essential features. The development team also asked upfitters from around the world to provide feedback on how best to optimize the cab and chassis for aftermarket builds. Although specific powertrain specifications are unknown, we assume our sample was equipped with the entry-level 2-liter 139 horsepower 4-cylinder gas engine and 5-speed manual transmission found in Hilux models. This truck felt much lighter than its size would have suggested, even with airbags and ABS, so it picked up speed quicker than anticipated. Its reasonable precision did not bring back memories of the full-size Yank truck of the past, but its long shifter did. At highway speeds, the bluff flat glass windshield makes some noise from the wind, but the Bridgestone Duravis R611 commercial vehicle tires noise from the engine and road prevents your ears from becoming fixated on it. But to drive such a simple, no-frills vehicle in the world of modern American cars, where the typical price is $50,000, as soon as you get behind the wheel of this truck, you realize how much it will help people around the world accomplish the hard labor required to earn a livelihood, create communities, assist others, etc. It's definitely not the same kind of lifestyle vehicle that we're used to. The drop-side flatbed had a tailgate that would be opened or closed by simply rotating and sliding a pin on each side. To help with the ascent, there is a bed step. The bedside is formed by a hole that is approximately 3 by 16 inch in diameter and is stamped and folded over. Numerous flat areas are available for attaching goods, and the upper sides of the cab have mounting hooks for roof racks. However, Toyota's long-term goal is to maximize profits from uplift possibilities and limit profits from the sale of the base truck. This year's Japan Mobility Show included 2 on display, one dressed up like a pop-up coffee shop and the other as a straight-up workhorse toting a big load. Computer graphics depicted it being used as a racing support truck, an overland camper, etc. You can be sure that an IMV0 will be put to work doing far heavier and harder tasks than any of these suggested in the third world. There is far too much history and goodwill associated with Hilux. Therefore, don't count on the IMV0 name to generate output. Some people think the manufacturing name could be Hilux Champ. Regardless, it is scheduled for delivery to Asian markets beginning in 2024 with Thailand. With a price tag of $10,000 in areas that allow the removal of airbags and ABS as of 2023, you should be prepared to spend up to $5,000 less than the current mainstream Hilux in markets with stricter regulations. How was Toyota able to keep its future pickup at such a low price? The $10,000 pickup truck turns out to be too good to be true, albeit only somewhat. The Hilux Champ, as the production version of the Toyota IMV0 concept is currently called in Thailand, is priced at 459,000 Thai baht, or little more than $13,000, depending on the conversion rate. On the other hand, that is a 30% increase over the cost that Toyota engineers told everyone. It's nearly as inexpensive as a 22-year-old Ford Ranger. Or bring a trailer and a brand new vehicle with a big bed that can tow 2,200 pounds. Just to refresh your memory, the basic price of the 2024 Tacoma is $32,995. The answers to how Toyota was able to maintain the price so low can be found in Dr. Jurachart Jongsuk, Chief Engineer at Toyota's IMV platform and Regional Chief Engineer for Toyota Daihatsu Engineering and Manufacturing. The Hilux Champ's absolute basic design is one of the factors contributing to its low price. This is primarily a commercial vehicle, with features and comforts more akin to those of a chassis cab, Ford F350 box truck that you can rent from your U-Haul than anything that Toyota offers to American consumers. Road and Track was told by Dr. John Suk, Toyota prioritizes a simple but highly functional exterior and interior through extensive target customer input and optimization of specification to only necessary items. The constant cost-cutting that went into the creation of the Hilux Champ, going so far as to use the Toyota production system throughout the entire supply chain, is another factor. According to Dr. John Suk, purchasing engineers visited supplier manufacturing facilities to study part making in every process. They used what they learned from the previous efforts to increase supplier productivity. To further cut costs, they even went to see suppliers at tiers 2 and 3 to carry out production improvement tasks. The Hilux Champ's price also includes the fact that Toyota expects buyers to add to what is effectively a blank canvas. This is delivering the car at 70% finished, with the remaining 30% customized by the customer. According to Dr. Jonsuk, this personalization encompasses anything that can be attached to the rear, ranging from a basic cargo box to a whole food truck. Additionally, Toyota Thailand will put you in touch with a specialized shop for any needs you may have, just as the upfitting procedure for commercial vans like the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and Ford Transit in the US. Additionally, Toyota Motor Thailand offers a range of financing periods from 108 months to a 5% down payment, and some conversions can be combined with the purchase price to further increase affordability. Our first objective was to make this vehicle economical and easily obtainable, Dr. John Suk states. When individuals are able to get their first automobile, which they can utilize to manage a business and earn revenue, it will improve their standard of living and provide new opportunities. The idea of opportunity via affordability is reminiscent of the IMV platform's initial idea and is also the source of the moniker IMV0. The goal was to make it not just a model change of the IMV, but a car that will help make our future brighter together with the people of Thailand. The term IMV stands for Innovative International Multi-Purpose Vehicle, which Toyota introduced in 2002 as a means of entering developing nations with a worldwide platform that made use of common engine and parts. In 2004, it replaced the Toyota Hilux pickup as the flagship model. It was then followed by the Fortuner and the Innova minivan, which were manufactured in Thailand, Indonesia, Argentina, and South Africa. What do you think of the new pickup truck from Toyota? Do you think the budget-friendly pickup truck will be a revolution in the auto industry? Do share your opinions in the comments section. For more interesting stories and updates, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.